Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, have I got a jewel for you? And what really impressed me about this particular property is the location. It is on the Corso Mediterraneo in Scalea, right literally across the street from the sea and the lidos and the beaches and everything else. It is a gorgeous property, 170 square meters, fabulous views, 3 double bedrooms, 2 comfortable bathrooms, and a double garage on the floor below. This is a beautiful property. Check it out, you guys.